guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging, in fact today and tomorrow. Today is the 8th of May and it's a Saturday. I just finished my dinner and I had like the world's best pasta. Like I'm a big time pasta girl, okay? And there's this place called the Nish Bistro, which has like the yummiest pasta ever. Tomorrow is Sunday, which is 9th of May, and it's Mother's Day. So I have planned some surprises for my mother. In fact, I'll be showing you guys what I'm gonna do. So my mother is a big fan of, like, you know, bougie breakfasts. She really likes chia pudding, oatmeal and stuff like that, and her most favorite is of course the chia pudding. So I'm just going to be making like a very fancy bowl of chia pudding. She's currently in the room. I hope she doesn't come out. I've tried to lock the room and I've also told my brother not to let her out. So yeah, I'm going to be making the chia pudding and I'll show you guys the recipe, of course. And after that, we're also going to be making a card and I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, creative and a beautiful greeting card. You can make it for anyone you want to. And yeah, let's go. Alright, so I earlier prepared this chia pudding and I put it in the refrigerator so that it comes to like a better consistency. And I also have like this bowl right here. Yeah, so this is the bowl in which I'm going to be assembling the chia pudding. And actually initially I had planned on doing like a tricolor pudding wherein I would use matcha for green, jam for red and a regular white colored layers, 3 different layers. But I'm kind of guessing that she wouldn't really enjoy the green colored pudding, if I may say. So I'm just gonna go with white and red. Alright, so to get like a pink colored pudding, I'm going to be using this Kisan mixed fruit jam. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using. And what I've done is I'm just trying to mix like water and jam together, and maybe once the consistency gets a little better, I'm going to microwave this a bit. And this is my first time trying. I have no idea what's going to happen, but I'm super excited to see how this goes. I initially planned on putting like a food color. I think if this plan doesn't work out, that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So after I've microwaved, this is how it looks. I think this is fine. So I'm just gonna mix the already made chia pudding. This is how it looks. I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put this back in the fridge and open it in the morning tomorrow. Alright, so now that you're done with the chia pudding, I thought I'll show you how I do my cards, my greeting cards, I'm gonna basically show you the most easiest and the quirkiest and the most beautiful way to make a greeting card ever. And I learned this when I was a kid. So my cousin taught me this. So she was making a card, I think for Mother's Day, I don't remember. So Achala, if you're watching this, a big shout out to you. I'm gonna use the exact same method to make the greeting cards. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold these two sides like this so that it makes like an opening window. Alright, so this is how it looks. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this, like it is supposed to be making like a window, you know what I mean? So with the other white paper, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna draw half a heart. The heart looks too small. So here you go. This is a heart, right? Because I want this to be in a different color. I'm just gonna color this out with a regular marker. Okay, so we have a pink colored heart. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stick this, like I'm just gonna put glue on one half of the heart. Okay, just one half of the heart, and I'm gonna stick this. Okay, so here you go. I usually put it on the left side, and now I'm gonna stick it to just one part. So this one's open. Okay, this is how it's gonna look, right? Isn't this the cutest? And you can just fill in whatever you want over here. Alright guys, we are done with all the surprises. So my mother is not really a materialistic person, though I keep giving her materialistic presents. I wanted to, do something different this year. So I thought I would make her a nice breakfast that she likes, and also write a very personalized greeting card. In fact, I do greeting cards every single year, and yeah, I did not miss out this year as well. So I'm really hoping that she likes the breakfast, and of course I'm sure she's gonna love the card. I thought I would do my skincare routine in the vlog, but I've been breaking out really bad. So this is how bad my skin condition is right now. I used a Kumkumadi Tailam, which is supposedly very good, which has really good reviews, but it did not work for me. So I thought I would also show this to you guys, because you've always seen me in the good skin phase. So just clearing things out, I also go through bad skin phases, and this one's been really bad. So I've just switched to my basics as of now. I just wash my face with the Saslick face cleanser that I usually reach out to every single time I have acne, and then I just apply a sunscreen. I have stopped using serums, active serums, for a while. So yeah, that's about it. And in the night I just cleanse my face again with the Saslick face wash, and I put on a very hydrating moisturizer. Currently I am either using Emollient or what is the other one, Ceraphil. So I just keep switching up between these two, and the condition is getting a lot better. I just hope new pimples stop appearing every single day. So that's about the skin gyan. It's currently 11:30, and I think I'm just gonna go sleep now. I'm gonna call it a day. And I'm really excited for tomorrow. So I thought I would, my mom's really shy, okay, to be on the camera. So I thought I would ask her a few questions. I'm not gonna show her completely, but just a bits here and there, because she's not comfortable, and I don't want to put her in the spot. So I'm also gonna ask her to explain you guys the skincare routine she follows, because I get a lot of questions that what skincare routine would you suggest my mother, she's so and so years old and all that. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to ask her to tell you the products that she uses. So it's going to be super fun. So yeah, that's about it guys. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Good night. Mummy, come here once. What surprise do you think I got for you for Mother's Day? No, just guess. No, camera is not on. Guess.
One eternity later.
Delicious dessert. Okay. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Happy Mother's Day, Mummy.
Thank you, Nishitha. What I guessed is correct, Nishitha.
How is it, Mummy? How much would you rate on 10?
9.
Why did you cut that one mark? So we are watching this movie called Sita on the Road on Z5, and I'm also having my lunch. So for lunch, it's paneer, butter masala and rice.
A few minutes later.
Hey you guys, so it's later in the evening and my mom's here with me. She's going to give like a very small guest appearance. Now, I usually try out Sunday hacks on my Instagram. I try out different hacks that you guys send me, but I thought I would do it here on my YouTube channel today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 hacks. It's going to be super fun, and my mom's going to be here and she's going to give like commentary. What is it called in cricket? Live commentary. That's right, that's the word, live commentary. So yeah, let's get started.
We're going to take a spoonful of cocoa powder, put it in milk. Now poke it.
Are you ready, Mummy? Okay. Prick it. Oh, it's happening. Let's try again. Prick it just lightly. Yeah, kind of works, but not for the entire thing. Can you prick in the other corner? No, this corner. Yeah, kind of works, but this is gonna turn into hot chocolate now. Okay, now for the next one, I'm gonna be taking some shower gel. Do you think this will work? I have no clue. Do you think it will work?
It will work.
It will work? Have you tried this?
No, but I guess.
Okay. Did I put too less? I don't want it to go into my mouth.
So water in the milk.
My mom thinks there should be some water in the mouth, so.
The string across an ice cube, add some salt, and wait for 1 minute. The salt causes the ice to melt a little, but then the ice quickly refreezes around the string, allowing
Block of ice, and then I'm putting the string. This is actually melting off. Okay, let's try again. Put it on the... Oh, Mom, you put too much. It just sunk in. Put again, just a little bit. Enough. It's gonna stay. Okay, while we wait, Mummy, a lot of my audience wanted to know about your skincare routine. So, what is it like? What is your AM skincare routine like?
Olay face wash, fade out serum,
Okay.
and photo-stable sunscreen.
Okay, so your morning routine is just the 3 products.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what about your...
And again, evening I use to wash my face, Olay face wash.
Okay.
Then I use fade out serum.
Okay, again.
Then again I use moisturizer, Face Shop moisturizer.
Okay, guys, so this is the skincare routine that my mom follows. And yeah, that's about it. So all these products were recommended by whom to you?
By Nishitha.
By Nishitha. What?
Skin specialist.
Skin specialist? No, I'm just a skin enthusiast. Okay, so this is kind of working out. So if you can see. No, it's not. So I think this one is a fail again.